Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a text box on your LibreOffice Writer on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a text box in your LibreOffice Writer, just going to show in this video. So for that, you just need to click on the insert option on the top and just need to click on the text box option. So after clicking on the text box option, first you can just draw the text box like this. Then if you just type whatever that you just needed, so I just going to type as text box here. So you can just select the text box. If you select outside, you can see the text box doesn't have any line or look like a box. If you just need to look like it as a box, you just need to fill the color first. So here you can see the about the style and colors are on the top. You can just change the thing first. So I'm just going to change this. You can see actually it's so bigger. So this is how we just change the text box style. So you can see it's look like a black box. You can just adjust the size and you can just keep wherever you just need it. And also you can just fill the color options are on the top here. You can find here. So you can just change the color options like a slide color. So you can easily create this text box on your LibreOffice Writer like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.